Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator, and this is today's market update for February 23rd, 2021. Today is an interesting day. The market came down and put right back up. At early in the morning, the Fed boss, during the first 2 days of the testimony in Washington, he vowed to keep the monetary policy accommodative and one that the U.S. economy recovery remains uneven and far from complete. The market is going down very quickly as people panicking get out of the market. After that, Mr. Powell told the lawmaker that the central bank doesn't expect to shift its accommodative policy stand until a lasting economic recovery can be achieved. So one more time, the Fed chairman again emphasized that he doesn't expect to see a rise in the inflation, even with a $1 trillion stimulus will flow into the market to support the economy. So stock erased early loss and came right back up. So it means that the money is still keep printing to support for the market. So the bottom line is we don't mess around with the power of the Fed, because they have a power. They will do whatever it takes to bring the economy up. So now let's take a look on the YouTube that we make for you on Sunday to see the sector and the stock to buy for the market on the way of recovery, and we see how we navigate them to the storm this morning. So first of all, let's take a look at a couple of index here. So look at the Dow. The Dow early morning, they push it back down. After that, they push it right back up at the buyer step back in, and then they push it right back up to the upside. The Dow have been doing very well. They hold up very strong at this level for the last couple of days. The Russell 2000, it put it down a little bit, but they also try to push it back up at the after the early morning loss. The technology stock, it also put it back down, but they put right into the support and rebound right away to the upside. The SP 500, the SPY, after they pull back right into the support, and they also rebound back up. As long as the trend is still up, we still support high, low, and market is still continue to push it to the upside. So as long as the trend is still up, we still stick with the upside, even though a lot of people outside are very panicking. A lot of people try to jump out of the ship. They think that go to sinking. So, but it's not the case. The market is found support and put right back up. Now let's take a look on the a lot of stock that we mentioned for you. First of all, a couple of sectors that they are doing very well. Okay, so first of all, look at the financial sector, XLF. Okay, the financial sector is still very strong. So this morning it's not affect them at all. They still continue to put to the upside. A lot of stock that we mentioned in this sector, like Goldman Sachs, it still rumble to the upside. JB Morgan, it also to the upside, and RF. Okay, so those stock that we mentioned on the weekly market forecast, as you can see, and then BAC, Bank of America, no problem at all. Even the market it dipped down this morning. Those stocks still hold up pretty strong. The next sector is the energy sector. It's also doing extremely well. As you can see here, they will continue to put to the upside, and a lot of stock in this sector very strong, like ExxonMobil, CVX, right, and COP. Okay, those stocks still continue to the upside. And at the summer coming up, and then with the help of the vaccine, people start booking for travel. So you can see that a lot of booking companies, they are doing very well. Okay, VKNG, okay, this is another strong one. TNL, okay, they also make it at the new high. So the more passenger booking, and then where they go to book, they have to using the airline will benefit the airline. So you see a lot of airlines try to put it back up, like Delta Airline, United Airline, okay, SAVE, Spirit Airline. They all move it back up, okay, as you can see, and then the people will travel to either they will using a airline or they go into the cruise ship, and you see that bunch of cruise ship try to put it back up. Okay. Allow them to try to find a way to put it back up, and where they're going to stay, they have to stay in a nice hotel like Houston, okay, Marriott, right? So that's where they heading north, okay? Or they can stay if they have a vacation club. This one here, VAC, okay? So those stocks will continue to make a new high, and and the more people will hopefully that they can enjoy their life again. So they with the free money and then hoping to win the jackpot, they will come to the Las Vegas to entertain again, like MGM. It will rumble to the upside. Win Resort, okay, it will go back up right there, and Caesar Palace, okay. So those play that will be attract more customer right there, and if you have, and then the people will celebrate, so they go to nice restaurant like Ruth, okay. They will put you back up. If you don't looking for the cheaper and affordable restaurant and good food, you can try Cheesecake Factory. It's still doing well. And if you don't get the stimulus money and the travel booking agency not accept your Bitcoin to pay for, then you need to use your Visa. So that's another way that you can use to pay for the advance trip. So so far on the stock that we analyze on the weekend, it outperformed the market that you can see right now. Okay, so if you are in our live trading room this morning, you can see that in front of a lot of our members, and then you know that trading is a risky business. It's not a get rich quick scheme. So trading involved with a lot of significant knowledge of the market. Successful trader, they require much more than a good strategy. It requires discipline, patience, guiding, and a lot of experience from the practice. So this is a good time for you to invest in your education so you can survive in this volatile market. Okay, so today, after the market is going wide, right, the people expect to see another day crash like last year, and then they believe that the market should go much lower. But in our live trading room, as you can see, that we're in front of hundreds of our members, by using a modern technical analysis that we are teaching, we know that where the market will come down and it go right into the buy zone. This market we already raw before the market open, so that our members, they know that when the market hit to the buy zone, where they go, they have to put it back up. So we all know that, and then when market hit to this one here, you take a quick trade here and to put it back up in the first 1 hour, that's 40 point again, okay, yet very quickly in the first hour. That's a $20,000 per 1 year contract, okay. So that you see how powerful if you're able to identify the buy zone, okay, ahead of the time, so that you can take a trade. Okay, so we know that this doesn't matter the Mr. Fed chairman he say, because we're in the live trading room, we don't hear what he say, but based on the technical analysis, the market will tell you where they get into and where they have to rebound. So that's exactly what you need to learn so that you can be a better trader. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. So thank you very much for watching. And then I won't have a YouTube every day. Okay, I try to cut my time out a little bit. So I try to do a couple of them per week to update on the one that we highlight mainly on the weekend. And then we inform you where we are so that you know where the market heading to. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and then we will see you in the next video. Make sure that you give me a like button, thumb up above, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time I have a new video, I will alert you so that you can see where the market heading to. Thank you, and see you in the next video.